Viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. In this video, I am going to show you how to get details even if there is blank cell within two numbers or range of numbers. For that, we can use index match if the number is available. Otherwise, we have to do some trick on that. For getting data, there should be some master data. We have that. So first thing is I am just doing index match. Index, just give name, freeze, comma, match, bracket open, then reference of A2, comma, then search from master data, freeze, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. So it is available now. If I drag to next cell, it will not work because there is no number. For that, we have to use ISBLANK with if condition. For that, simply use if bracket open is blank bracket open, just give reference here, bracket close. If it is blank, take it above 1, comma, otherwise same index match or VLOOKUP formula should apply, enter. So it worked fine. In case if you want to use VLOOKUP, simply remove from index, just change it to VLOOKUP, bracket open, just give reference of A2, comma, go to master, give selection, freeze, column number 2, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close, bracket close. If you like this video, please share it, comment it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.